Alright guys, I'm using these two products to clean my fence. Hi guys, you heard me stop it off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and today I will be doing a review on how I'm bringing my fence back to life. Now guys, one of the products that I am using, well the only product that I am using is this 30-second outdoor cleaner. And I am going to let you judge for yourself. I went and bought a ROUNDUP pump, and I filled the pump up with 2 liters. And then I filled up the rest of it to 4.5 liters. So I gave it more of this 30-second cleaning stuff than I did the water. Because you're supposed to do 1/2 water, 1/2, cleaning, 1 and 1. But I did 1 water, 1.5 cleaners. And I mean, I am about to show you the difference between my fences. I am not sponsored by anyone, guys. This is just something that I wanted to try to bring my fence back. So, if you have not yet, please comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get to it. Okay guys, that is like 2 liters. That's 2 liters in there. So I'm going to fill it up to 4.5. No, I'm just going to fill it up to like a little bit under 4. Pump it until you get pressure build up in there. Okay guys, I am about to show you my fence. This is my fence, and it's old looking. Alright guys, you see how fast this changed? This is a good product. Like I said, I am not sponsored by anyone. I bought this with my own money, and I will be going back getting some more of this because it's supposed to be able to clean your gutters and anything where there's lime and stuff. It's supposed to be able to clean a lot of different surfaces. And then after a few days pass, I am going to stain it, or just Thompson water seal it. As I move down this way, the fence is, somewhat still wet. But I decided to see what bleach and water was going to do. So over here, this is just bleach and water. And I mean dollar store bleach and water. And to tell you the truth, I like how gold it has the fence.